Jackson, Tennessee. We're doing We're so excited to be back.
I'm Cooper Brown. I play guitar and sing.
I'm Matt Hammonds. I play bass, and they don't let me sing.
I'm Phoebe. I sing, and that's it. That's all.
I'm Will. I play drums.
I'm Joe. I play guitar.
We started playing as a group, this group, in 2016?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Could have been the year.
2016?
15.
16, 15,
Because I moved to
16.
Nashville in 15.
Area.
Okay, so yeah, around 2015 probably, we started playing together. And it started out with a lot of
Relay
just
for Life.
Relay for Life
We
shows.
did every single, if you went to a Relay for Life in
Yeah.
2015, 2016, we were there.
Yeah.
We were there in the
We
back.
played every single one in West Tennessee pretty much.
Yeah.
The entire year.
And then started branching out
Yes,
to other
we all
states.
lived on
That
the
was
Friday. Yeah.
that was kind of our grind for a while. And then 2018 we put out the Kingdoms album.
Yeah, we crowdfunded it. Thanks, Jackson.
Yeah. And then after that we started doing some tours, some more one-off shows, and so yeah, now we're after the pandemic we're coming back a little bit. So
Coming back a lot.
It's our comeback. I say that we're indie folk rock. I think that is closest to the style of music. We have a lot of different influences. We all have different musical backgrounds. Like Joe is very like gospel R&B, rap. He also likes a lot of jazz. He also likes literally everything. Joe likes literally everything, and he's kind of our first run producer. So everything that we write kind of goes through him musically. So getting his influence and Will growing up with like a classical music education, and me being into like indie rock when I was in high school and like trying to be cooler than everybody else, and you also trying to be cooler with everybody else by listening to emo music, and like you listening to Switchfoot all the time. So we all have different influences, and that all kind of comes out in music, but it kind of lands in an indie folk rock area, wouldn't you say?
I
Folkster
thought
rock.
we would call it like indie rock with a question mark.
I would say where we pull our inspiration from lyrically is definitely the Bible a lot. I would say we write a lot of songs. We've written a lot of songs about the life of David from the Bible. That's kind of where we started.
a lot of life experience.
A lot of life experience.
Just, I don't know, sometimes we'll be either struggling with something or celebrating something, and just kind of get hit with a line of like, man, this really expresses what I'm feeling right now. And so we just kind of start writing that down, and then once we have a starting point, we'll start pitching back and forth of different ideas. So.
We sound so cool and special because we all we don't yuck anybody's yum. We're always just like, oh, that's cool, let's throw it in there. Oh, that's cool, let's throw it in there. Oh, that's cool, let's throw it in there.
Today we're going to be playing Stuck. It's from our new EP, Wilderness. And Stuck is really kind of about whenever you feel like you have dreams that you want to wake up to or realize, but you're just kind of stuck in your own head. And so that's what this song kind of addresses and recognizes, like that moment of just like, man, I've got all these dreams and I just don't know how to actually recognize them or realize them or bring them to fruition. And so just kind of waking yourself up. And so that's what the song's about.
Contrary to popular belief, it's not about the pandemic.
But it
though
came out at a great
out
time.
during the pandemic.
Yeah.
Come out at a great time. So we think that's why a lot of people have resonated with it, is because if you didn't feel that way before, you
Right.
definitely feel that way now.
Lately, I've been having dreams, but they don't wake me. Stuck inside my head while I've been sleepwalking. Round and round again, I found I can't get out of my inside this upside down. Inside out. Don't hold me down. Let's ghost this town. Shadow, boxing with the morning light to punch drunk from the other Tuesday night. I'm chasing these things, but running in place. I'm stuck inside this upside down. Inside out. Don't hold me down. Let's ghost this town. Upside down. Inside out. Don't hold me down. Let's ghost this town. I'm stuck inside this upside down. Inside out. Don't hold me down. Let's ghost this town.